So in this video, you'll learn how to delete the Face ID data on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So if you want to remove the Face Unlock data, so you no longer need to use this feature, it's fairly simple. Simply start by opening the Settings app, then scroll and select Security and Privacy. Under Security and Privacy, tap on Screen Lock and Biometrics, and then enter in your current PIN, password, or pattern. Once you've done that, select Face Recognition, and then tap on Remove Face Data and confirm your choice. Once you've done that, you can see now it tells you Register Face, which means that you've successfully removed the Face Unlock data. So whenever you're trying to unlock your device, if it's been locked, then again, use the PIN, password, or pattern, or your fingerprint if you have it registered. But as you can see, if you tap on the Face ID option at the very top, it doesn't allow you to use it. And so that's how you can delete the Face Unlock data on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.